Hey, Don here. That's the end of a good day of pressure washing and making some people happy. That last job there, that pool deck, it's a little bit bigger than my normal, standard pool deck charge, but the couple was very elderly, and the guy was in a walker and stuff, so they really can't do a lot out there, and they had a little porch out back, so I went ahead and cleaned that for them. You didn't want to talk about being happy. They were thrilled, and made me smile as well. So you do a little good deed. It is Sunday. What the heck, Pays to be nice. The guy next door to them, he hired me. I've done like 7 homes in that neighborhood now. So when you do these my point here is, when you do the little things and you just, out of the goodness of your heart, only takes you about 5 minutes extra time, 10 minutes tops, without upcharging, it makes people happy, and the word gets around that you're a good guy, and you do a good job, and you have a good price, and you showed up on time, you made the extra effort. You know what I'm trying to say, right? But anyway, it was a good day. Picked up a nice ticket next door to the couple, and it makes for a good day all the way around. Then I took my main computer to the computer shop today. The old Geek Squad's going to put a new hard drive in for me. It's probably about 8 years old. Time for it. Backed everything up, and they can just wipe it out and put a new thing in there, and we'll have a brand new computer. All right. Tomorrow is Monday, and we'll be back to work. I'm all caught up. The hurricane is gone. The work is back to where it needs to be. All right. I'm done. Enjoy today's episode. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Last time I checked, we got 935 subscribers. It's getting exciting. Get to that 1,000 mark. We'll have the drawing. I'm going to be giving away a ball valve, a gallon of Sticky Icky Apple, surfactant, wonderful stuff, works great, along with a t-shirt and a couple stickers. All right? You know what I say? Get after it! Good morning. It is Sunday. On my way to do a pool cage, and then I have a pool deck to do. I'm just going to get head after it, get them both knocked out of the way, and I'm going to try to get out on the motorcycle for a little ride today, get a little bit of enjoyment. But I do have a mound of paperwork to get done, but you know what? That'll be there when I get back. So let's get the day started and get after it. All right, here we are, job number 1, pool cage. Man, what a wonderful morning it is. But that sun's coming up, so it's not going to be cool for long. All right, here we are. This is a regular customer. It looks like he got all the bushes trimmed down, which is cool, because now I can get around the back. All right, got some mold here. And this gentleman likes to keep his pool cage nice and clean, so let's go ahead and take a walk around the back. Oh yeah, he's got it all trimmed up for me, good. And it's just got a slight bit of green up there. All right, let's go inside and have a look. Open the door. A lot better. This thing loosened up here. Anyway, as you can see, it's not that bad. He just hates this deck being dirty. And that's gonna have to get painted soon enough. But this is going to be an easy in and out type job. All right, let's get after it. Let's have a look. Everything's been squeaky clean. All the mold's gone. All that mold that was up there is all gone. It's just gone. They called Don and now it's gone. And now for the satisfying rooms. Okay, now we got some stuff on the floor right here. So we're gonna run out to the truck, go get some straight SH and rinse this stuff off. We'll be right back. Straight 12.5 should take that right off of there. Let's get after it. All right, let's have the final look. Everything came out really good. Got rid of all those stains off the deck. All the way over there. I'm not gonna walk through there to prove it to you. I think you can take my word for it, right? Anyway, that's gonna be a wrap on job number 1. And we're off to job number 2, and that'll be a wrap for the rest of the day. All right, let's get after it. All right, down here, we're at job number 2. Simple downstream. Here's the injector. The hose runs up over the toolbox, down into the SH tank. Down into the moneymaker tank. Without that, you can't make any money. Got to have SH in order to do this kind of work. We're going to be running on full speed because we are going to be using the mini Mondu. This is a cement pool deck. We'll see you in a couple seconds. See ya. All right, here we are. Let's have a look at this puppy here. It's got a bunch of mold over here. Got to move these plants out of the way. We got mold buildup. It looks like the water puddles up right here. You can see it in the shape of a puddle. Go ahead and get that cleaned up out of here. This is an old cool deck, so it's going to be easy to clean. Might leave a little bit of marks though, so we'll have to see what happens. We'll get this little area out here cleaned up too. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a look. Did the SH, we did the mini Mondu, and I can tell you right now, went ahead and put all this under there, so we're going to play musical move the furniture while we rinse underneath all that stuff. I don't think they're even expecting it to be done, but we like to make people surprised, and we like to get hired back for other things, so we go above and beyond here at Super Blast. All right, you know what time it is now, right? Time for the exciting rinse. Satisfying. Another job you can be proud of. Look at that outside there, huh? Look at this pool deck. It came out great. Everything's cleaned up around the furniture. I'm sure they weren't expecting any of that to happen. Just do a good job, get all around these flower beds. And I always do something a little extra. These are elderly people with walkers, so I'm sure they really like hanging out back here. Now they can do it and enjoy it without slipping. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and I just picked up the house next door over there. Let's have a look at it. I've done a lot of jobs on this block, and you know why? Because the word gets around that I do the little special things, little extra touches here and there. I mean, none of that over there was included. That little thing over there wasn't included. It just took me a couple extra minutes of my time. But like I always tell you, when you're in business, you got to be making new business, so you just have to get after it. All right, this house over here, I just picked this job up, gave a gentleman a nice quote. Now he's going to go ahead and hire me to take care of it. We're going to put him in the book, and it's just another job, one job after the next. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. That's a contractor tip on how to do business. Oops. You don't have to have a Google account and a website. You waste all your money on that crap. Doesn't do any good for you. I don't care who tells you that. All right, let's get after it. How's everybody doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep,
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
try that one out.
All right. Lemony fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Where you from?
Well, I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it!